Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayard? You know pretty? Welcome you all, my old and new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome you all to the Jamaican cooking journey. And welcome to this little tutorial. How to cut, how to grease and line your baking sheet, your baking tin, so to speak. I don't know what is happening, but it's how to grease and line your baking tins. Okay, y'all? First, you'll need your tape measure. You'll need your scissors or your kitchen shear. You'll need a pen, not a pencil. You'll need some greaseproof paper, and you'll need some almost frozen butter. Now, your pan must be properly dried. I'm going to give your hands a rinse because you're going to get your hands all in. Properly dried. No wet hands. So, we're going to get right in. Get right in, camera girl. Let me get my glasses in on my face. You're not going to waste the paper. So, you want to take out the surface. Mark out the surface of the tin. Now you're gonna try to cut on the line, not inside of the line. On the line, y'all, not inside of the line. Try to stay on the line. If you're even out a bit on the outside, that's fine, but do not go inside of the line. Try. And I'll show you why I say that. Try to be accurate and stay on the line. Get right in, camera girl. Let me see what I'm saying. Stay on the line, y'all. Yes, let me show you. On the line. So use something, a pen that is bright, and stay on the line. And I'll show you why I say you're to stay on the line. I'm going to get in depth, and I want you all to be in on this. Now, look at this. That's why I told you to stay on the line. Okay. Now, my fan is blowing, but I gotta work around it because the heat is really on inside here. Now you need to get the circumference of the pan. And this is 23, to be exact, 22 3/4. But you need a little overlapping. So you're gonna make it 23 1/4. 23 1/4 by the depth here, which is like 2 1/4. So it's 23 1/4 by 2 3/4. That's it. Come, yeah, that's it. 23 1/4. Yeah. So it's 23. This is 23, and this is a quarter right here, right there. By 2. Okay, we're gonna take off this part. Let us try to go in. So right there we have it. Okay. So we're going now for 2 1/4 from here. This is 2, and this is 1/4 here. 2 1/4. I hope you're in on it, you know. I hope you're all, camera girl. I know you're in. And I hope you're in on it, that they can see what is happening. 2 1/4. Right there. Now, we need to use something to mark a straight line. And I'm going to use my bunting. Yep. So you can use like a straight edge or something. Get a straight edge, but I'm using my bunting. So you get a straight edge. Okay? And we're going straight on the line again. Should we go 2.5? No, this is good. Okay. Now, you're gonna get your hands all dirty. It's gonna be messy. Yes? Now, these papers are supposed to have a sheen side. This looks like the sheen side. So, Margrish the sheen. And this is the flat side. So, you're gonna get your hands all messy. Right, team? The butter must be like this, or you're more even frozen. Look at this. Right, camera girl, I want it to be in. Moving along fast. The butter must be no softer than this. It can be a bit hard, but because my weather is a bit warm, yeah. Remember, you know, your hands are gonna be messy, but that's the way to go. Okay? All in. Edge in the little, what you call it, crease, and all of that, all in. Now you're gonna look for the sheen side, which is this side, which is so disgustingly bombed. And you're gonna use your hand, right in, camera girl, to fix it. It's down, it's in, properly sealed in. But because we don't trust these, we're gonna grease it as well. I don't trust them. I don't trust this sheen. This sheen doesn't look like the right sheen for me. Okay? Now, this is a little technical part. You're gonna get right in, camera girl. You're gonna fit this part starting here. The sides are greased, so you're gonna get right in. Very careful. Turning and fitting. Just give a little patience. Turning and fitting onto the grease side of the thing. Okay? Fitting and turning as you go along. Fit it down. Fit it down. 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 Now that it is down, are you all in? You gotta overlap in there. Okay? And it's down and there. Now, you're gonna get some more butter to be on the safe side, and you're gonna keep it down. 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 This little baby here. Down. Yes? Yeah. Remember, you have a overlapping, so catch me a while ago. When you reach here, you don't go there. When you reach right where the overlap, you're coming from here, the overlapping, so you do this here, and then you proceed around here. And there you have it. You're well greased and line caked in, ready for baking. Y'all, okay? If you have liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and keep doing so, blah, 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 which I see you're all doing. And remember to share the videos. My hands are messy, but I don't care, because this is going to be my thumbnail, y'all. Okay? And remember to hop on over to Jamaican Debbie Debs. The link will be in the description. Mwah, love you all. Jamaican Black Cake Day coming up. Debbie from Dongayard. Boop.